In this video, I want to show you an effective task list in Excel. So here we've got a task list by date, then task. So you can open any date to see the task for that day. Close it again, open another day. You want to see a task list by task and then dates. So which days are we taking out the trash? These are the days we're taking out the trash. You want to expand all of them. All the tasks for each day are expanded. You want to collapse them. You want to expand all the tasks by task list. All expanded. Collapse them. And how do we generate this task list? It's a very simple system. You have a simple input table, header, date, and task, and you list your tasks here as you need them. And in no time at all, you've got a very effective task list. And there's so many more things you can add. You can add in who wants to, who does what task on what day. You can add in what day of the week is, which days are Sundays, which days are Mondays. Unlimited extensibility. So that's all for this video. If you like what you see, click the like button below, subscribe to receive future videos, and thank you for watching.